Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Realme camera issues like auto camera stop or camera crash. In new lot of Realme phone and non-Realme I mean other phone has showing this problem. First I show you the problem. Here is the problem. You can see that when I open camera it stop working, I mean the camera crash. You all thinking that way it happening. In this video I will show you how you can fix this. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First I show the problem. Here is the problem, you can see that. And now I will show you how you can fix this problem. To fix this problem you need to uninstall two update app. One is Google Chrome and other is Android System WebView. If you skip the video then your problem will not be fixed. So please watch this video without skipping. You might thinking why you should uninstall this app. This not related with your camera app. So why we should uninstall this? Because this problem shows because of Android System WebView. This app new version not compatible for your chipset and not stable because that your phone camera, gallery, Google Photos etc. may not work. Now I show you how you can fix this. If you skip the video then your problem will not be fixed. So please watch this video without skip. After uninstalling the update, you need to restart your phone. After restart the phone, now check your camera. Now you can see that it working. If this video help you, then please give a like in this video. And please subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.